Hi, babe. Is that your doggy? Daddy likes that dog. No, that's not your doggy. Say Lucky. Lucky. Sing. Oh, he doesn't want to do it. Oh, you do. Talk to Lucky. Tell it what to do. Oops. Lucky fell. Can you fix it? Pick him up. Yay. Oh, you got your doggy? Let me see. Is that Lucky? Can you give Lucky a kiss? Oh, you're playing the piano now? What are you doing, Lucky? Hi. Hello. Can you blow a kiss? Oh, good girl. How much do you love Mommy? How much? So much. Very good. Oh, that's gonna hurt the doggy. Ava, can you do me a favor? Can you snap your fingers? Snap. Very good. Good job. There you go. There she goes. Bye. Bye.